Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing yet another product, but this time it's not an electronic machine or any sort of gun, massage gun, anything you call it. It's this shoulder Pulley, which is a rather small product but still really useful. So first and foremost, this product isn't a random product or a product from another company. This is in fact a product of Physio Shop itself. As you can see the logo here, that's why this video is also sponsored by Physio Shop, and this was sent to me by Physio Shop. I did not buy this myself. So the product here is the shoulder Pulley. Now on first glance it just looks like some normal sports training equipment, but this is it. You can use it for sports, but it's definitely not for sports, more for rehab. It's for a shoulder, as the name says. So as soon as you open it, you get the product right away, no extra packaging whatsoever. So I'm just gonna explain you some stuff. So first of all, this product is to if you have any problem in your arm, any problem in your shoulder bone, or if you have a problem in your muscles, tightening of the muscles or thickening of the tissue anywhere around, or any muscle connected to your shoulder. There are many problems such as stiffness, or if you have if you can't move your shoulder, you have any restriction of movement in any way, any reason, could be any reason. So first of all, as you can see at the back, there are some example stretching exercises given, which makes it a lot easier, and as it says here, ideal for rehabilitating shoulder injuries. So you can use it to prevent injuries, and most importantly you can use it after an injury. So understanding is really simple. So first of all, there's this metal piece here which you're supposed to attach into a door frame. I will show you how it works. And then here's the pulley, which is really made of hard, durable plastic, and it spins very smoothly, as you can see. Then there are these two bars which you have to take one in each hand and then push them in many types of exercises, which I will show you. So basically all you have to do is go to any door of your home. That could be any door, it could be high, low, and then just put this, after you open the door, just put this above the door on the door frame, and then close the door. And then this will stop it like this, just like so. It will stop it from falling, and it can carry a lot of weight, up to I believe more than 160 kg. So there are the two handles you have to hold by hands, and you can also adjust the length. For example, if your door is longer or shorter, all you have to do is just take out the desired length on both sides. Just go like so, tie a knot, and there you have reduced the length very easily. As you can see, this is made of thick, hard, durable plastic, so it's not gonna break anytime soon, as well as the fact that it's very easy and simple to use, which means you won't have any hardship in using it. You guys already know, I told you that this is supposed to be an easy to use, cost-effective device. It's gonna improve your mobility of your shoulder and make any type of movement easier. Any problem could happen. And also it's supposed to be ideal for using in your home. So first of all, as you can see, all I did was open this door, and then I closed it after putting the bracket in, which I showed you before. So all you have to do is put that part outside the door and then close it. You could lock it, but most doors you don't even need to lock them, and it's gonna work. As you can see, it's excellent at straining, and there's no problem whatsoever. As I already told you, the pulley is made of very durable ABS plastic. So there are a bunch of exercises that you could use. So the first exercise would be for your left shoulder, in which you would use the shoulder to put strain on the left shoulder, and you have to keep going like this, which is going to improve the mobility. Then there's one which is just you're going to use it like this for the other shoulder, vice versa. So as you guys know, you could also have a back problem, or you just don't feel comfortable doing it while standing. There are options which are equally effective, and you can do them while sitting. First of all, to stretch your left arm or right arm, the vice versa way. All you have to do is just go in this motion. What this is going to do is you have to apply tension over here, so that stretches this arm, and you have to try to weigh against both of the arms, against both of them equally. And that's what that's going to do, is basically it's going to relieve all the tension inside your clogged tissues. And then this is one of the harder exercises, in which you have to keep one of your hand behind your back and pull down while straining tension from the other hand, which is going to also relieve tension. So basically this is not to be seen as a therapy device which will completely cure you. Basically it's supposed to be used alongside professional therapy. It can be used to speed up the recovery process basically, or you can also use it as much as you want, as your physician describes. So as you guys saw, that I already demonstrated some exercises. Of course, I'm not a professional physiotherapist, so you're better off at consulting it from YouTube, or just asking your physicist or you can also see these exercises, which I'm not showing detail right now, just to show you briefly that the package also has some exercises given. So this was the pulley, and this was all the unboxing and review of it. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Of course, this video is again sponsored by Physio Shop. If you want to buy this product, you can buy it exclusively only on Physio Shop. You can go to physioshop.pk, or you can also buy it from the shop, which is located in Johar Town, Lahore.